Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to July the 24th of 2025. We are on day number 97 of this My Legion Secret ClickBank Challenge. All right. So if you guys have no clue what's going on, you have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year, 365-day challenge where we are using one offer from ClickBank and we're using a service called My Legion Secrets. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income within 1 year doing so. All right. So we have made it to day number 97. We are in the fourth month of this challenge. We're almost at that 100-day mark. We still got quite a bit of time to go, but I'm very excited to be here and to show you guys this method and how easy it is. If you're someone out there looking for extra income online, this will be the more than likely the easiest way to earn income online, right? You just copy and paste. If you can copy and paste, you can do this method. It's super easy to do. It doesn't cost a lot of money, okay, to get started. And you can get started today, hitting the ground running. All right. So to get up to speed, I mean, since I know we're on day number 97, we're just maybe a little further along. If you're just new to this video, so please go back and watch the first video and those first beginning videos all the way up to now, so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. They can kind of get an idea on where we're at, right? So let's go ahead and jump right to it, guys. This is day number 97 of the challenge. And I'm headed here to My Legion Secret, right? This is the back office of the My Legion Secret program. If you get where to get started, your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. The only difference is the emails that you send out versus the emails that I send out, possibly will be a little bit different. Okay. But other than that, everything else is going to be the same. All right. You're going to have these tabs coming along back here. And the cool thing about this My Legion Secret service is that these people are only interested in making money online. These are business opportunity leads. Okay. So it's our job as affiliate marketers. All we got to do is go out, find business opportunity offers, offers that where you teach you how to make money online. Okay. Or that help you make money online. We create an email and we send that email to this service and we get people that are interested in what we're doing, right? People sign up, people purchase from us, people, look at what we're doing, they opt in to our list, and all that good stuff. So that's what kind of traffic that this is, guys, with the My Legion Secret. Just remember, this is business opportunity offers. So if you try to send out a cooking offer or a health and fitness, it may not work. You may not get a lot of eyeballs looking at it, right? Or you may not get no one that ever buys anything from you, okay? Because these people, they want to learn how to make money online, right? So what I do is I went out and grabbed an offer, okay, on ClickBank, that's related to making money online, okay? And with this offer, they already have pre-written emails. So I don't have to create an email. If I don't want, I could just simply copy and paste the email over to the system and it clicks in. Like it's just that easy, guys, if you guys wanted to go that route. Now, with these other emails, you can use ChatGPT. You can use another email service. ChatGPT probably is going to be the coolest way because they create the perfect email. If you were to code it correctly and tell it what you wanted it to do, you can get the perfect email. All right, and I've done that before, and I am doing that as well. Okay, but for the sake of this video, we're using a offer called Social Sales Rep, and we're just going to use the free email swipes that come with the offer. And these are known to convert. They've been tested. I've tested them. They do work. I've earned income with them. So I'm wanting to show you guys how this works. All right. So this offer, like I said, is live chat jobs on ClickBank. So you can go to the business opportunity section in the e-business, e-marketing niche on ClickBank, and you're going to find this offer at the top. Okay. And that's why we're promoting it, is because it's a top offer. A lot of people love this offer. A lot of people are making money with this program. Okay. So we are using the free email swipe. So we're going to pick an email. Okay. So I believe yesterday, let's see here. I don't want to get confused because I know late yesterday we did send out one of these emails. Okay. So let's go ahead and go here. Let's go ahead and just go to number 9, right? So let's go ahead and grab this subject line, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system. We want to go in to where it says mailing system right here. Excuse me. You want to click on select all. Okay. What that does is going to transfer all the emails over here so we can get ready to send it out. The subject line is right here. Okay. All we got to do is just match everything up with, with the offer. So subject line, you control V, right? That's where the offer goes. I mean, that's where the subject line goes. Chat assistant role, $33 an hour, right? We come down here, you click on perfect timing, and we're going to grab this body of text here. So let's go ahead and go down here, and we're just going to grab all of this text right here. Okay. So pretty long email too. So let's go ahead and control C. Come back over here to the mailing system, Control A, Control V. Like we just pasted that email there, take out signature, and you want to either put management or put your name in there, whichever one. And then right there where it says hi name, we want to change that, okay? And we want to address our prospect by their first name, okay? So we're going to grab this code and we're going to put it in right here, okay? And we're going to Control V. Right. So as you can see, when we send this email out, when this email goes out, it's going to address our prospect by their first name. Okay. It's going to say, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, hi, whatever the person's name is. Okay. Then it's going to go into the opportunity. Now, the cool thing about these emails is that it has a call to action text, which is usually bold text. So as you can see, if you look through this email, you're going to see two areas where it has bold text. One at the top in the middle, and then one at the very bottom. These are call to action sentences. Okay, so this is basically telling our prospect what to do. Okay, so when it says right here, read more about this job specification and apply by clicking here. So we want to turn this into a clickable link. Okay, this click here. Okay, so you want to go to the link tab, click on that, and we're going to put our link right here. So let's go back to the offer. Now underneath, I know you guys have been following along with me. Underneath every email, there's going to be a affiliate link that goes with this email. Okay, so we're going to use this email. Okay, so let's go ahead and go here and then Control V. And then we want to come here where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID or your ClickBank ID. You want to put in your ID, the one that you came up with whenever you created your ClickBank account. And I want to come down here to where it says click here. And we want to turn that into a clickable link as well. And we want to take this out where it says your ID. We want to take that out. And it wants us to put in our ClickBank ID. Okay. So let's go ahead and click on OK. Boom. As you can see, we got two clickable links right here, which is really good. Okay. You want to Control A. And you can either make this either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys want. Okay. And as you can see, this email looks good and it's ready to go out. So we're addressing our prospect by their first name. We got two clickable links right here. And then we also have our name down here at the bottom. Okay. So underneath this email, underneath every email, there's going to be two buttons. One's going to say send now, and one is going to say preview. Me, I've already sent out my email for today. I have 8 different accounts. Okay, so I send out one email for 8 different accounts. Okay, and it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to do that. All right, so it doesn't take a lot of time at all. But I've already sent out mine for today, so you're not seeing these buttons. So what you're going to want to do is click on preview. Okay, and preview is going to pull your email up in real time. And what it's going to do is going to allow you to click on these two clickable links. Okay, and what you're looking for is you want to make sure that these links work. Okay, so you want to click on those links, make sure it takes you to your affiliate page. That way you get credit for this email. Okay, because last thing you want is to send out an email, the links don't work, or you misspell something and you don't reach the people that you need to reach. Okay, so after you do that and you confirm that both links work by clicking on both links, okay, you want to click on send now. Okay, boom. We just sent out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret, system, and it took us, less than 5 minutes, right, to do that. Okay, it'll be, quicker than that. I want you guys to get going. Okay, but that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system. And if you guys want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. So all you got to do is come down here to the More tab and click on this tiny URL. /MLGS True Freedom. You click on that link. It'll take you to a landing page where you can get signed up for the My Legion Secret program. And then you can start, sending out emails starting today. Okay. So, and that's it, pretty much it, guys. That's how you send out an email. That's how easy it is, to do that. Okay. Now, a cool thing too, if you want to get multiple accounts, once you sign up at the link under my link there, you're going to your back office is going to take you to your back office, which is going to look like this. You're going to have your own affiliate link in the back office. So what you would do is you would highlight this. You're going to copy this, right? You're going to sign out of this account and then sign up under your own affiliate link. Okay. That's how you guys are going to be able to create multiple accounts, and you got to use a different email address. Okay. That way you can get multiple accounts. Okay. And it could take you, a lot, less, it was going to take less time for you to get to where you get to if you don't have that many accounts. Okay. But if you want to, hit this thing with the ground running, you're going to at least need 3 or 4 accounts. Sweet spot's going to be 5, but if not, you want to at least start with 2 or 3 accounts. That way you can start, sending out these emails, start making a little bit of money, and then reinvest to buy you more accounts. Okay. That's what I would recommend you doing, because if you get too many accounts and you don't get results, as quick as you want, you're going to end up quitting and you're going to fall off, and, you're going to waste money. Okay. So the best thing to do is to grab a few accounts starting out and watch that progress. And you'll hit the ground running. Okay. I've seen, stuff take off, for people around, sometimes it could take a week, right? Sometimes it could take a month. Sometimes it could take a few months. Okay. Sometimes it can take about 6 months. It just depends on how many accounts that you have and how much you send out emails. Okay. You have to do this thing every single day. Okay. That's the only way this is going to work, if you have the, motivation and the discipline to come in here and send out an email, whether you're making money or not. You have to get through that phase first. And then once you get to that phase, it's all peaches and cream. Okay. After that, all right, you'll start making money every single day, and you'll be off to the races. Okay. But right in the beginning, it's going to be a little bumpy. You're going to have to stick it out. Okay. You may see a sale here. You may see a sale there. You may start seeing sales a little bit more, but as you send out emails every single day, you'll start gradually seeing that get closer and closer together, and you'll start making money. All right. So we did send out an email yesterday in the system. And let's go ahead and check those results. Let's go ahead and go to the reporting tab here. Today is July the 24th. Okay, let's go ahead and go down here. Now, we are using a program called Social Sales Rep, which is right here. So today we got 761 hops, 739 unique hops. Now that's actually really good, because those two numbers are actually, kind of close. That lets me know these are brand new people that went to our page. And then we didn't get any new initial sales, and we didn't get any order form impressions. Okay. So today was just pretty much a slow day. We didn't get the sales or the traffic that we wanted. Okay. Which is no biggie. Okay. It's going to be days like this where the sales may not come in or the traffic is a little slow. We didn't get any rebills as well. Okay. But no biggie. We did blank today. Okay. We didn't get any sales or any rebills. Okay. Which is no biggie. I'm going to be looking tomorrow to see if we got a rebill or got a new sale. We did get a sale yesterday, and we did earn money yesterday. Okay. And as you guys, like I said, if you guys been following along, okay, the algorithm has been a sale every day, every other day, or every 2 days. Okay. It's rare that we're seeing a sale past 2 days, which is good, because that tells me that we're getting closer to our threshold. We're getting closer to bridging these sales closer together. Okay. So today we didn't get a sale, but we possibly will earn something tomorrow. It just depends, right? So that sale that we got yesterday, okay, that will come, here in the next couple of days, right? And we'll get that. So that'll be coming in. So the way the algorithm has been looking, we've been getting sales every day, every other day. So, which is really good. So we did earn some money yesterday, but today we didn't earn anything. Okay. And then tomorrow I'm going to be coming in. I'm going to be looking for Friday. I'm going to be looking for a sale or looking for some kind of rebill. Okay. So I'm going to end this video on that note. Just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system. Also, subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Let me know what you think about it. Okay. If you guys want to comment below, if there's any tips and tricks that may be working for you that you want to share with the community, feel free to comment below. Let me know what you think. But other than that, guys, I will come back here tomorrow and I will show you the results from tonight's emails that we sent out. And I will get with you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.